Hey everyone, Mark here again, the virtual showroom. Welcome back. We're going to look at another great pre-owned vehicle, 2017 Hyundai Tucson Premium. Let's have a look. Finished in a silver. It's like a metallic flake, very nice color. With the premium package, you get a lot of extra features over the base. You get the nice alloy wheels. One thing, you keep walking around. I will point them out as I go. Tucson, definitely one of our most popular vehicles in the fleet. Has been for as long as I can remember. Turn signal indicators on the mirrors, get the fog lights. So again, lots of standard features. Great looking vehicle. You can see hood, glass, roof, all in very nice condition. You have the side rails, so you can always throw cross rails on it if you have a ski box or kayak carrier you want to add to it. So again, some versatility there. Good sized trunk in the Tucson. You have in the 60/40 split folding rear seats. You have anchors on all seats as well. So again, these seats can fold flat, one up, one down, both down. Definitely some options there. Underneath there is your spare tire. So again, good sized trunk in a Tucson, and that's why I think it's remained a very popular seller. It's not too big, not too small. Can kind of do it all. There's my new rhyme for the day. Good sized back seats, cloth seats with music on. Get some cup holders here for the passengers. You can fold that up. Get some vents as well. You can see the carpets are all in good shape. Cloth's in nice shape. Get some power windows, and you get heated outside. The two outside seats in the rear are also heated, so nice addition for your passengers. You also get power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have locking rear windows as well, which is a nice feature if you have kids. You have an adjustable driver's seat, so you can raise it up, down. You can move the back piece back to front. You also have a lever underneath. Your seat is tilted and telescopic. On top of that, you have your interior illumination. You can adjust your interior illumination. You have lane departure warning or blind spot detection. You have traction controls you can shut off. I'm going to jump in here. All right, so not only does it have great kilometers, you have Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice recognition, all your volume controls, radio controls on the left-hand side, this leather-wrapped steering wheel. On the right-hand side, you have your information center, which you can toggle through and personalize some of the settings of the vehicle. You also have your cruise controls all right here. So again, all the tips of the driver's fingers. You have drive modes, so again, you can drive in eco, normal, or sport mode. Again, that's all up to preference, so we encourage you to try them out, see what works best for your drivability and your driving patterns. You also have downhill brake assist control, a nice feature to have. You have two 12 volts, your auxiliaries, your inputs all here. On top of that, you get your heated steering wheel, 3-stage heated seats on both sides, air conditioning, front rear defrost, temperature controls, easy to use. So that's nice. You're not fondling if it's just yourself in the car driving. You have a nice little touch screen here with a backup camera. So again, all standard on this vehicle. XM radio standard on this vehicle, so if you have a subscription, you can jump it into this vehicle, or you can try it out. It's nice to have, but again, it is by subscription, so we recommend trying it out, seeing if you like it. Otherwise, but no purchase necessary. You do not have to get XM radio if you don't want it. All the cloth in good shape, dash in nice shape, no cuts or tears, anything like that. Low kilometers, a very nice vehicle. Again, Tucson, definitely been very popular since, my goodness, probably 05 when it first came out. So again, don't miss out on a Tucson deal. They don't last long. We just looked at a 2017 Tucson. Did I mention I was remote starter? Call, text, or emails if you have any questions. As always, you can shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com, and make sure you follow us on Facebook. Very important. We're always giving away lots of cool stuff, so whether you're in the market or not, cool and free stuff is definitely not a bad thing. So again, thanks for joining me today, and we look forward to seeing you soon.